push the boundaries of the chaos coding. Chaos coding, part 2, Lovable. Today we're gonna make a game. We're gonna give Lovable one word, and we're just gonna let it completely go nuts, and we're just gonna keep telling it to keep going. You guys are used to the vibe mode when you're doing no code dev, but in today's video, we're gonna be doing chaos mode, and this is part 2. You guys could check out part 1 where Lovable ended up making some crazy game, and now we're gonna do part 2. So let's just jump right into it. I want you to come up with 10 game ideas around crypto, period. I want you to imagine you are the best game developer, but it has to do with crypto. Give me your 10 ideas. I want these ideas to be unique. I want them to involve crypto, but also something that I can actually build on this platform. Go deep. I want to shake up X and make this a super viral product. Let's see what it comes up with. I think game is actually a fun idea because we'll be able to actually build something and we'll be able to visually see what it is versus just building out some platform that's going to take a lot of time. So let's see what it can come up with now, and we can just start building it. So I'm excited to help you create a groundbreaking crypto game that could go viral. Let me share some unique game ideas that blend crypto concept with engaging gameplay mechanics. All right. Looking for successful products in the space. We got play to earn games. For your viral crypto game, I'll focus on these features. Visual stunning interface, 10 unique crypto game ideas. So Crypto Quest, Market Maestro, a trading simulator where players start with virtual currency and compete to build the best portfolio through market timing research. That's pretty cool. Blockchain Architects, player build and manage their own blockchain ecosystems. NFT Safari, an exploration game where players discover and collect unique digital assets. DeFi Dynasty, build a financial empire by creating lendings. Crypto Defenders, a tower defense game where players protect their blockchain from hacking using different cryptocurrency as towers with unique abilities. That's kind of interesting. Mining Time could manage a mining operation. That's kind of fun too. So Mining Tycoon, Whale Wars, a multiplayer strategy game where players act as whales trying to influence markets through strategic buying and selling. Token Alchemist, mix and match different token attributes to create new currencies. Metaverse Monopoly, acquire, develop, and trade virtual land parcels in expansive metaverse with... Actually, this Monopoly game could be really dope, actually. You know what? Let's just run with this one. Let's build out Metaverse Monopoly, period. I want you to create the whole game from start to finish. Don't ask me any questions. Build out the whole board, build out the logic, build out the whole gameplay, and make it all about Metaverse Monopoly. I think we got something here. We got Monopoly and we got Metaverse. Let's see what it actually does. And I want to see the gameplay. I want to see how good this thing can actually build a full game with no input besides picking what it's going to actually do. So we'll get back to it. Let's see. This is definitely the longest I've ever seen Lovable work. It hasn't asked me any questions because I told it don't ask me questions. And it's actually building something pretty complex. So I'm really curious to see what it can do. Oh baby, we got a version 1, Metaverse Monopoly. Buy, trade, and upgrade your digital property in the blockchain world. So start playing. Oh, what? Player 1, roll the dice. Let's see, here we go. We got a 7. Move to electrical company. Player 1, 1500. Player 2, we got Park Place, Connect Avenue, Vermont. So the board is a little wonky. This is pretty good though on one prompt. How do I move? I can't really... Can you fix the board? I see 2 rows instead of a full square, period. Also, fix up the look of it. It looks super cheap, period. We do got something though here. We do have a game. We just gotta obviously fix it. And once we get the basics of it though, we're gonna definitely add some new components. This is where chaos mode comes in. Board looks much better. I like it. Let's actually go to a full page. Let's see what this thing actually looks like. All right, start playing. Look at that. That's actually pretty damn good. All right, here we go. So let's roll the dice. So we got a 2. So there is actual gameplay here. So buy property, mortgage, upgrade, sell. So 120, here we go. So we just bought some property. End my turn. Player 2, roll dice. So he's right here. St. Charles Place, 140. We could decline or buy property. So let's buy it. We got an actual game here. This is pretty impressive. Roll dice. Here we go. Let's check this out. Let's buy some more property. We can unmortgage. Wow, this is really dope, guys. So now let's push it. So now we have our functioning game. It's working as it's supposed to. But now let's add a couple other things. I want you now to make this game different. Add something very new and creative that only you can come up with. Period. Think how crypto works. I need you also to implement some more crypto language, maybe characters. Just really get creative and come up with something really amazing. All right, let's see what version 3 looks like. But as you guys can see, we've definitely made some really good progress. And this is one prompt. And we have a game that you can actually buy and sell, roll dice. There we go. Now we got something here. Look at this. We got something. Let's hit refresh. We just created a metaverse crypto game with some players. Let's roll the dice. So here's our player right here, D. So 1500, we're on the Uniswap. So let's buy some property. So it's still using the mechanics and the monopoly thing, but let's actually do this. This is a good improvement, but now I want the gameplay to actually be all around crypto, period. Also change metaverse monopoly to something a little more clever, period. Make the player buttons better. All right, I think we're getting somewhere though. You can see where this is going. We have a full functioning game, and now we're gonna add a bunch of different things. We have NFT drops, validator fee, we got DAO vote, an airdrop. This is pretty clever. And we'll push it one more time and see what it comes up with. So it just updated. Let's enhance the game for fully embrace crypto game mechanics and improve the overall player experience with better UI elements. I love it. All right, I think we're done here. I think you get the point. Let me hit refresh. Our game is officially called the Blockchain Baron, and we got traders now. So we got 2 traders instead of, Monopoly vibes. We're gonna roll the dice and let's give this one play. So now we're on Uniswap. So now we can basically decide whether we want to buy this or sell this. And then we're gonna keep going. End my turn. We're gonna roll the dice now for the C. Now it's bullish or bearish. Buy property. So we're gonna lock it, stake it, or unstake it. This is very cool. All right, so let's end turn, roll dice. Next player. So you could see the sky is the limit. We just created a full game from start to finish by letting Lovable just go chaos mode. We didn't give it much information. We just said create stuff, and then it just kept iterating and making it better. And we ended up getting Blockchain Baron, which is a cryptocurrency Monopoly inspired game with all the game mechanics, with everything. And this was done in what, 10-15 minutes. It's pretty insane what you can do. And of course, if you guys check out Lovable below, I got the link down there. I really appreciate it. Buy me a cup of coffee. And then also, if you guys join our community, we have an amazing buzzing community. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.